With 2026 right around the corner and the camera industry once again heating up, Canon is quietly preparing what could be one of its most talked about APS-C mirrorless updates yet, the rumored Canon EOS R7 Mark II, and that naturally raises a big, unavoidable question for photographers, videographers, content creators, wildlife shooters, sports enthusiasts, and hybrid creators everywhere. Does the original Canon EOS R7 still make sense? Or is it about to feel outdated in a world obsessed with stacked sensors, faster readout speeds, and headline-grabbing spec sheets? According to ongoing rumors and leaks, the R7 Mark II could arrive with no mechanical shutter, a significantly faster stacked CMOS sensor, improved electronic shutter performance, reduced rolling shutter, better heat management, and even more advanced subject tracking autofocus powered by Canon's deep learning algorithms, essentially turning the R7 concept into a more aggressive, performance-focused crop sensor powerhouse designed to compete with high-speed mirrorless cameras for action photography, birding, motorsports, wildlife, aviation, and fast-paced video work. But the reality is that not everyone upgrades gear the moment a new model is announced, whether due to budget, practicality, creative philosophy, or simply because real-world performance often matters more than theoretical improvements on paper. When the original Canon EOS R7 launched, reactions were mixed, with spec lovers praising the 32.5-megapixel APS-C sensor, 15 fps mechanical shutter, blistering 30 fps electronic burst, advanced dual-pixel CMOS AF2 with animal, vehicle, and human detection, in-body image stabilization, oversampled 4K video, and compact mirrorless design, while critics focused on rolling shutter artifacts, crop sensor low light limitations, and the learning curve required to truly master the camera's strengths and weaknesses. Yet for photographers transitioning from older Canon bodies or even early full-frame mirrorless models, the jump in speed, autofocus reliability, and overall responsiveness felt massive, especially for high-action scenarios like drag racing, rodeo events, field sports, wildlife tracking, and unpredictable subjects where timing is everything and missed shots simply aren't an option. Moving from slower burst rates to 15 fps mechanical and 30 fps electronic fundamentally changes how you shoot, how you anticipate moments, and how confident you feel capturing peak action. And while rolling shutter can initially appear as a deal breaker, especially with fast-moving subjects, many users discovered that with proper technique, shutter selection, and understanding subject motion, those artifacts could be minimized or avoided entirely, turning the electronic shutter into a powerful creative tool rather than a liability. Beyond sports and wildlife, the R7 has quietly proven itself as a versatile hybrid camera for travel photography, landscape work, portrait sessions, documentary shooting, wedding coverage, and even social media content creation, offering strong dynamic range, impressive color science, fast subject acquisition, and reliable image stabilization that benefits handheld shooting in challenging environments. And while APS-C sensors traditionally struggle more in low light compared to full-frame, modern ISO performance combined with smart lens choices, fast glass, and accessories like focal reducers or speed boosters can dramatically change the shooting experience, effectively reducing crop factor, gaining extra light, and delivering a more full-frame-like field of view that expands creative flexibility for both photo and video. For video creators, the R7's 4K capabilities, Canon log support, solid autofocus in motion, and stabilization make it a capable tool for YouTube videos, cinematic B-roll, vlogging, product reviews, tutorials, and run-and-gun filmmaking, especially when paired with external microphones, ND filters, and proper rigging. And while newer cameras may offer cleaner readout or higher frame rates, the practical difference often comes down to workflow, storytelling, and how well you understand your gear rather than chasing marginal improvements. The polarized reception the R7 received online is a perfect example of how internet hot takes rarely reflect real-world usage, as some creators dismissed it after reading spec comparisons, while others embraced it as one of the most capable APS-C mirrorless cameras Canon has ever released. And the truth as always, sits somewhere in the middle. The Canon EOS R7 is not perfect. It has quirks, compromises, and limitations, but it also delivers exceptional performance when used intentionally, rewarding photographers who adapt, experiment, and push the camera within its strengths rather than expecting it to replace every tool in the lineup. Looking ahead to the Canon EOS R7 Mark II, it will almost certainly be an upgrade, with better rolling shutter control, improved video performance, and faster overall operation, but that does not automatically make the original R7 obsolete, especially for creators who already own it and understand its behavior. As autofocus performance remains fast and sticky, image quality is still excellent, stabilization is effective, and the camera continues to produce professional-level results across a wide range of genres in 2026 and beyond. Gear will always evolve, new models will always arrive, and marketing will always push the idea that you need the latest release to stay relevant. But in reality, cameras like the original Canon EOS R7 prove that longevity comes from usability, reliability, and creative growth. And while many enthusiasts and professionals will eventually upgrade out of curiosity or necessity, there is no urgent reason to abandon a camera that still delivers sharp photos, compelling video, reliable autofocus, and a shooting experience that keeps you engaged, challenged, and inspired. In the end, the real upgrade isn't always the next model number or stacked sensor, it's the skill, adaptability, and confidence you build by mastering the gear you already have. And for many photographers and videographers, the Canon EOS R7 remains a powerful, relevant, and capable mirrorless camera well into the future, proving that great images come from understanding your tools, not just replacing them.